All right, guys, today I'm going to show you how to repaint a bureau or dresser to make it look like a new piece of furniture. Now, I picked this guy up for real cheap at a yard sale, and this bureau is all nice, hard, solid wood. So I thought, man, this is going to look really good once it's painted. So we're going to follow 3 simple steps on how to make your yard sale or Facebook Marketplace find into a really, really nice piece of furniture. Step 1 is cleaning and sanding. Now I have a piece of 150 grit sandpaper. You're just gonna sand it down. You can see the area where it's roughed up right here versus where it's not roughened up right there. That's kind of what you're looking for. The reason you do this is to give the paint a chance to stick. It's gonna stick a lot better on a roughened surface than on a clean, smooth surface. I would recommend leaving your drawers in and just pulling them out a little bit. This way, something's holding onto them while you're sanding them down. You're only painting the outside anyways, so it's better just to leave them in for now, pull them out, and sand them each individually. All right, now that you have it nice and sanded down, you gotta clean all the sawdust off. So what you could do is you can take a rag with some wood cleaner and you can wipe the whole thing down, or if you have an air compressor, you can just use the air compressor and blow all that dust off. That's the way I like to do it. If you have it, it can help make things a little bit quicker. Okay, step 2, now that everything's nice and clean and blown off and free of dust, you're ready to paint. I would suggest using a brush, getting in the corners inside here, the inside of your tracks where your drawers go, and also your knobs in places that you can't get with the roller, and then everything else that's a flat surface, roll away. Don't get too discouraged about having to use the brush to do all that trim because it does take a while, but when you finally get to the roller, boy, does that feel good. Okay, and step 3 is to inspect your work and do the second coat. I found a couple little spots like here where I missed paint, and so you're gonna wanna fill that in and also find the spots that you did it a little bit too light and you're gonna need to put more paint on. After that, guys, you are all done. If you wanna know what kind of paint I used today, this is Behr Interior Exterior High Gloss Enamel. The color is called Dark Secret. I got it at Home Depot. And then the roller I'm using is Best Smooth to Semi-Smooth Surfaces. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope this helped you. Consider subscribing, leave a comment if you like, and if you think Carole Baskin killed her husband, give me a thumbs up. Take care, everybody.